Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. I'm your host Preeti and I'm happy to welcome you to today's session on AI tools for productivity mastering Canva with AI. It's my absolute pleasure to introduce our speaker, Mr. Nikhil. Nikhil is a graphic designer, UI/UX specialist, and visual brand strategist with over 8 years of experience in creativity in creating impactful visual identities and user-friendly digital product. His work bridges creativity and strategy, helping businesses stand out through design that speak to both brand values and user needs. Nikhil has collaborated with a diverse range of industries, including SaaS, EdTech, textile, IT, and printing press companies. His ability to adapt to various sectors has enabled him to deliver design that are not only aesthetically compiling but also aligned with business goals. His core expertise lies in branding, logo design, and building cohesive visual identity system along with UI UX design for website and mobile apps. He also bring advanced skill in graphic and motion design, photography, video editing, infographics and corporate presentation especially through tools like Microsoft PowerPoint and Excel. Nikhil plays an active role in end-to-end project execution, collaborating with marketing team and clients, defining product vision, conducting market research, managing product roadmap, and ensuring brand consistency across all deliverables. He is known for handling multiple projects while maintaining clear communication and organized documentation. He is proficient in tools such as Adobe Illustrator, InDesign, Premiere Pro, After Effects, Corel Draw, Figma and Canva and hold advanced skills in PowerPoint storytelling and presentation design. Let's give a warm welcome to Mr. Nikhil. Over to you, Nikhil.
So, hello everyone. Uh, my name is Nikhil Dadhich, and Preeti has already tell you about me. So that's all thing about me. So currently, I am from Jaipur only, and working as a graphic designer and sometimes freelancing also. And I have an agency also, named as Dadhich Art. So currently, today's session we will cover all the things related to Canva and some designing part of that, and some video related to Canva with AI part. So we'll cover that also. So everything is there. Everyone has attended, I guess. Yeah. So let's start. So let me open the Canva for you. So is this visible?
Yes, it is
Yeah.
visible.
Okay. Okay. So this is my screen where you can see Canva.com. You can easily log in there, and everyone know how to log in on the Canva. So it's really basic. So you can just go to Canva and just create login your email ID password. Everything is there. But let me tell you about the Canva. So Canva is a online application. It's currently everything give you free, but sometimes it's ask for your paid version. So let's have that. So you can go for the Canva pricing, where you can see all the price related to the Canva like Pro and Enterprises. There are many options for you, so you can buy that. But currently, let me show you what can you do in the free version. So here are many options. So first one is Instagram Reels, photo collage, education related sheets, documents. There are much more options in Canva, and even you can create a website in Canva and launch that website directly from Canva to your online platform. Okay. So first of all, let's click here. So this is a search bar which show you that what kind of design or whatever you want to create. You can just type here and ask him that I want this kind of design. So there are a lot of design which are used for in graphic designing, like which we call creative designs. Or you can say there are many social media creatives, so we can create that also. So you can say social media posts. Okay. So I click here. So you can see there are many templates. Okay, so most of them are free, and these some of them are paid version. In the paid version, you can see in the pro version. So let's start with something this. So this is looking like a 3D version of any kind of social media creative. And here you can see the name of the template is purple pink gradient colorful social media marketing Instagram post. And the size of this is 1080 into 1080 pixels. So this is common size for Instagram and Facebook and every platform. Okay, so you can, what you can do is you can customize this template according to your company colors and fonts. Okay, so if you click here, you will be redirected to the new tab. Is the new tab visible? Okay, so here we are in the Canva editing software, where you can see there is an option which is called design option. Okay, so next one is elements option. Elements means whatever things you want to add in this design are there in the elements option. Okay, next one is text. Whatever kind of text or any kind of text or whatever content you want to add in this design, you can add from here. Okay. Next one is brand. Brand is for the pro versions. Branding means, let me tell you what is the branding means. So branding means if like you are working in a company, or if you are a freelancer working for 2 or 3 companies, so you can create a brand kit over there. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to add their logos and their colors and their fonts. Okay. So if you add these all the things related here with any kind of brand, then you can just have to click here only, and everything related to the brand, the color, the font, the logo will be automatically converted in that. Okay, so we are not going to do this because this is a paid version. So let's start with the elements. Okay, but currently, if you can see in this design, we don't want any kind of elements because there are many elements already in the design. What we can do, we can just click here, or if you need to change the content, you need to double click on the font and you can change it. Okay, so it's changed social media. We can what we can do, our design. So this is very simple to use. Marketing, you can change marketing dot or marketing. You can change anything. Okay, this is another any kind of a font. Let's say you don't have any kind of content. So what you can do, you can type here lorem ipsum, where there is a website called Lipsum. Okay, so this is a Lipsum website where you will see dummy text. Okay, so let me select it for you. Let's select it till here, copy it, go to the Canva, double click here and paste it. Okay, so you will get the text in the Canva directly from any kind of website. Okay, so you can do this. But here in this design, you can see there are 3 kind of icons. But are these icons good? These 3 icons are very different. First one is for the website, second one is for the calling, third one is for the email. But these 3 categories are different. First one is the stroke, second one is the circle, third one is fill. So this is not correct. The correct way for the using the icons is flat icon. So this is another great website. Is this website visible? Okay. So this is a flat icon website where you can find all kind of icons related to your design or anything. Okay. So first of all, what we can do, we need icon for the website. Okay. So you can go here, type website. So there are many kinds of icons you can see. There are multiple icons. How much icons there? 6 lakh icon you can see here. But currently we need same category icons. Okay. So what we select? Let's go with this. So this one is for the website. Okay. So I will open in new tab. Okay. Next one is for the calling. So you can type here phone or call. Uh, let me tell you which one you will select from here. So from for website, we have selected this kind of icon. where you can see a fill background is there, but here, which one will you select? This one. Okay, you will not select this or this because these are in a different style. This is in the stroke style, this is in a fill style without any kind of circle, and this is inside the circle, and again this is inside the circle. So these both are the these are from the same category, but here you can see these three are from different category. That's why this is not correct. Okay, last one is for the email. So you can type email here. So you can see all the icons related to the email, and you need to select this one. Okay, so these three icon you can easily download and use it on the Canva. So let's go with this. Download the PNG. So downloading complete here for the website. Again PNG free download, and last one is for the calling. Okay, so these three icons are all we have downloaded from here. Now we need to change this from our icon. So select them all and press the delete button on the keyboard, and this will get deleted. Okay. Now we need to upload that icon or that image to the Canva in this image, or you can say in this page. So you can select download folder here and drag it, okay, drag it and place it over there. So this is inside the Canva. You can decrease the size according to your preferences. Put it over here, and you can easily zoom it by holding control and scroll up. Okay, decrease the size. Next one is this is for the email, right? Next one is for the web. Again, we need to decrease the size. You can even hold the Alt button to decrease the size from all the sides. Okay, this will give you more time. Okay, so adjust it. Even you can put it on the same icon and resize it according to the icon. Next one is for the phone. Again, here hold the Alt and decrease the size. Zoom in. Okay, and again decrease the size and put it over there. These three icons are already set here. Select them all, zoom in and select. And you can do one thing. You can just click on right click here and align them to the center or middle. Okay, but they are already in the center, so this option is disabled. See, select them all, right click, alignment, and this is already deselected because this is already in the center. Okay, so this is from next one. Next is okay, so next one is buttons. You can play with this, but you can see double click and change it. You can even type shop now. Now let's say you want to change the font according to your brand identity. So what you need to do, you just need to select the font, whatever you want, whichever you want to change, and click on the font here. Click here. All the font are in the left side of the Canva. So here you can see there are many kinds of fonts. You can just click here and font or will automatically be changed. Or there is a new option which is called change all. So what this option do? Click here. So all the fonts which are already in the Roboto are changed to Anton. Okay, so this is a great option, and you can even upload your custom font here. Upload a font. You just need to click here, and you will just select the font, Jost, and open. Yes, upload. So this will automatically upload it. You just need to search for that JOST. So the font is here. You can click here and the font will be changed. So this is amazing font. Jost is a very common font. Okay. So you can change it from there. So there are many font, multiple fonts in the Canva, and you can add your custom font also. Let's say you need to download a new font and upload it on the Canva. How will you do this? Let me close that this for you. And now open a new website. Let me show you some website which are providing free fonts for anyone. Okay, so let's search for free fonts. Okay, so there are many websites. So which one is good? Let's say Da font is nice. Google Fonts, everyone knows. 1001 free fonts. This is again a great website. And one website is called Font Squirrel. Okay, so this is again a fantastic website. Now you need to select which kind of website or which kind of font you want. There are multiple categories of the font. So how we will use them? Let me show you some categories. Okay, so let's find out uh, types of fonts. So currently there are around five types of font. Okay, so let's understand them first. So this is a image. Okay, is this visible? Let me open a new tab for you. So this is an image which is showing you multiple fonts. Okay, so multiple fonts means there are only five kind of fonts. First one is second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, so first one here you can see there are the same letters. Okay, T T T. The T is written in a five styles. So first one is, you can see a spike over there. Second one also has a spike, but this is blunt. This is not as sharp as this one. So this one is called serif fonts. Okay, so serif font means the font which have a spike at the end of single letters, or you can say single character. So in this, which one is serif font? So there is no serif font in this design. If you want to add, let's say I want to add a serif font in this our design text, you can click here and you need to search for this. There are many options. This one. So this one is called serif fonts. You can see a spike at the end. Okay. So these are some serif fonts. Again, this one is again a serif font. So these are many kind of serif fonts. Okay. Next one is, this is looking like a serif font, but this is not the correct serif font. This the use is different. Okay. So this is slab serif. Slab serif means this one is serif. This one is slab serif. Slab serif means this is play the same role of the serif, but use is different. This one is used for the printing, but this one is not for the default use for printing, because whenever you type a paragraph in this font, in this serif font, then this will not be easily readable. Why? Because the text, you can see text here, so the text are overrated, but here the texts are very clean. This is sans serif. We will come on this later. So first of all, we will understanding the serif fonts. This one is slab serif. So this is used for the printing. If you want to print a serif font, then you will use slab serif. Okay, so slab serif is used for the printing part. When you can see a hoardings, or whenever whatever things you the user will watch from too far, so you can use that font. Okay, this one is sans serif, without any kind of spike or anything at the end of the letter or character. So here you can see the this font don't have any kind of spike. So what the meaning? The meaning here is says this font is very easily readable. That's why this is used in all the paragraphs. And even you can see Google. Google is also using sans serif font. So this is like modern font. You can say traditional font, and these this font tradition never goes. Okay. So where are we? Okay, next one. Next one is script font. Script font are very less used because they are not easily readable. You can see there are multiple curves in the font, and the meaning, for the meaning you can get some names like cursive fonts, calligraphic fonts. So these all fonts are in the serif, sorry, script font. Okay, and last one is display font. Display font is very unique, or you can say very different. Okay, so let's add some examples of these fonts. So first one is for serif fonts. So these are serif fonts. Again, these all are serif fonts. These are name of the fonts, and we are currently understanding the categories. Okay, so these are many categories you can see, and serif font is one from the category, and there are millions of font in this category. So these are modern sheriffs. You can see their names and you can see a spike at the end of all the names. Okay, so this is called serif font. Okay, so next one is slab serif, slab serif font. Okay, so this one is slab serif, where you can see a small spike at the end, but this is little bit of blunt. Okay, so this is called what? Slab serif font. Okay, hope you are getting. Okay, so next one is script font, or you can say sans serif font. So these are sans serif font and very amazing font. Okay, so this is sans serif. Again, this is sans serif without any kind of spike at the end. Okay, there are many fonts. This is very big category in all the fonts. Okay, and mostly this is used in every category, or you can see in everywhere, and in all industry or anywhere. This is multiple uses of the sans serif font. Okay, next one is script font. So these are few script fonts. This look very interesting because these have very curvatures, and you can say the calligraphy style. So these are used in the like you can say brandings of the luxury products, or you can say the feminine products where these font are used. Okay, so this is called a script font. Okay, so last one is display font. So these are category of display font like this. This is a very common display font where you can see STARIFE. This is written here. This is the font. This is the name of the font. But if you read just in the flow, you can see 8TAN. So this is not used very much. Only used while we are using heading. Okay. Now let's come to the websites where you can see which font you need to download. So there are multiple categories. Okay. So these are many categories where you can download fonts. ठीक है तो यहाँ you can see there are cartoon styles, comic styles, old school, curly, western. There are many kinds of style you can see on this website. So you just need to click on that. Okay, so if you are working for any client which has a modern kind of style, so you can click here and you will get all the modern fonts related to that category. Okay, now let's say you need to download this font, or you can say Black Mustang. This font you need to download. But before downloading any kind of font, you need to check that whatever I will write, will it fit in this font or not. So click here, you can write, and this will show you that the name will be seen in that font. So this one is looking fine. You can click on the download button here, and the font will be downloaded automatically. Okay. Next one is Google Fonts. This is another amazing website where you can find multiple categories. So you can see appearance related to calligraphic, serif, sans serif, technologies related to technology font, color font, variable font. There are multiple fonts. Okay, like seasonal holy fonts, Halloween fonts. So these all are Halloween fonts. So use this website very much. Okay, so this is amazing website. The same process. Click on the font. You can get the font easily. Okay, you can type here also, and this will show you directly. Okay, getting my point. Next one is 1001 free font website. Font category is here. You can again select the category of the font you need. You can select cursive font here, but this website is a little bit slow. Okay, so you will find all the cursive fonts here. Let's say you need to write here the name. Now this will show you how will the font look. Okay, so this is again important, very common website. This website, the font squirrel, is very amazing and very important if you are a graphic designer or any kind of designer, UI UX or anyone. So what the important of this website, again show the all the fonts and you can easily download them, but the main point here is the popular category. You need to click on that. So when you click on the popular category, there are many fonts which are popular in the world. Okay, so you need to download all the fonts and install them on your PC. The installing process is very easy. So let me show you. Open the zip file, double click on the font file and install. As you can see, I have already installed this font. So then, so this font is completely installed in my system. And that whatever when I'm saying the system means you can use this font in Notepad or Word file, PowerPoint, Excel, Photoshop, Illustrator, CorelDRAW, InDesign, any kind of software. You can use this font. So this will be downloading automatically. Okay. So these are some website for the font. Okay. Now coming back to the Canva, here you can see the category of the font is used is multiple categories, but the font are very different. So what you need to select one font which has some variables. So variable means let me show you some common font. Let's say open the Google font. Okay, so here we are in a Google font, and let me open the Roboto font for you, and you can find there are multiple styles: thin 100 italics, extra light 200, light. There are multiple categories, or you can say there are multiple families of the font. So this is called a variable font. So always try to use a variable font in your design, so you can change the other style in that font only. But here you can see the font is changed. Okay, so here is this is again different, this is again different, and these are very different. So don't do this. So let's me change all the fonts, select all of them, go to the font and type Roboto. Okay, so these all are in the same category. Now this is looking very perfect. So this is how you need to select the font. Okay, and you can even change Roboto bold. Bold is fine. So this is good. Okay, so you can get all the styles in the font category of the Canva. And let me show you that if you need to increase the size, so you can click here. Size will be increased automatically. You can even click here to make it bold, italics, and underline. But we don't need this option currently. Next one is you can change the casing of the font, uppercase, lowercase. Okay. So this depend on the design that whatever you are making, you can consider that style. Next one is for alignment. Alignment means if you select any kind of paragraph, you can change the alignment to center, right, or left. Okay, so there are four kind of alignment. This one is left, this one is center, this one is right, and this one is for the justify. Okay, you can see in the printing areas. Okay, next is for the listing part, and this one is for the spacing. Spacing is very important. Okay, wait a minute. So spacing is very important. You can even give letter spacing, line spacing. Okay, so all these spacing are very important. Okay, so line spacing is this, character spacing is this. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so this is letter spacing, this is line spacing, where you can find the spacing between all the letters and the spacing between all the lines. So this is again a very important option, and this is a new update. So before the around 6 months, we got this new update. This is very amazing update. Okay, so let me show you on this. If you need to add the space, you can even go here, add letter spacing. So this was very amazing. Okay, next one is styles, there are two kind of style, or you can say two kind of tabs where you can say a general style. Okay, so this is uppercase, this is a lowercase. Okay, superscript, subscript. Okay, so let's me show you. If you write here H2O, or whenever we write, selected part, go to this and you can do this. So this will called as superscript, this is called as subscript. Okay, so this is very interesting option. Okay, okay, so now let's understand the style. So there is a style which is called transparency. Transparency means you can decrease the opacity of any kind of object. This is not only for the text, this work on the image also. Select the image or select this image and decrease the transparency. Animation, you can give many animation, but here are some new animation added around 10 to 6 days here. So let me show you these new animations. So if you click here, this one. Okay, so these all are very amazing options. See? So there are multiple options for the animation of any kind of image. Now let me show you on the text. Text animation are very amazing. So if you click on any kind of image or any kind of object which is not a text or not a part of the text, you will see one option only which is called animate. Okay, so if you want to disable it, click here and you can remove the animation. Okay, click again here. Now if you select the text, you will see a new option which is called effects option. Click here and there are many kind of effects. See, I know this is not going with the design, but let me show you. So these are some effects which are already used on the Instagram. Have you seen this? Okay, and if you go on the animation part, you will see many animation related to the text only. See, the typography style, or you can say the typing styles, typewriter style. There are many kind of styles. So you can even make video for this text, or you can say a GIF for the creative. Okay, so I will go for this. And if you want to add in the starting or at the end, or you can add this on the both on the starting and the end. Speed, you can change the speed. I have the pro version, that's why I am able to change the speed. If you don't have any kind of pro version, you are not able to change the speed. So this, you can increase the speed, you can decrease the speed. Okay, for character, for words. So character is amazing. Character will be fine. Okay. Remove animation, you can just click here and the animation will automatically be removed. Okay. But I don't want to remove, just click here. So these are some animation in the Canva. After that, you can change the position. Position mean you can change the arrangement and the layer part. So layer are is very important in the Canva. Let me show you after this. So first of all, we will discuss about the arrangement. Let me show you one example. So let's say this has just been removed in the right side of the another text, but we want all in the single line. So select all them all, go to the position part, and you can select the alignment element here. So this is for the top, not good for this. So these three options will not be here. So you can go for the left, center, and right automatically in the left alignment. So this is called alignment. This is very important for any kind of design. Alignment should be equal in any kind of design. If you are using a left alignment, you should use all the text in the left side only. And if you are using this in center, you need to use this in the center element. Okay. Now let's say you want to distribute the space between all them equally. Select them all, go to the position panel, and here are space eventually option. Okay, so if you space evenly, so you can click on the vertical. So the space between all them it will be equal, but currently we don't want this. Okay, let me show you here. So we want the space equally distributed between these three. So select them both. So see, the alignment is not proper. Middle. Great. Now Control G for the grouping. Now this is a single group. Select them both. Again center. Control G. Select both them. Middle. Now see, you have selected this wrong element. Okay. So select this. Word shift. Select this. middle, control G for the grouping. Now select all of them and you can select the vertical spacing. But this is already in the vertical space. Let me show you one thing. If this is not eventually or evenly distributed, what we need to do, we need to click a vertical or a tidy up option. This worked like AI part. So this what will this do? This will eventually divide the space from horizontal and vertical both the sides. Okay, but currently we don't want this, so we will go for this only. So here you can customize any kind of design. Let me show you one thing. Like you need to change the image. So what you will do? Select the image and press the delete button. So the image will automatically be deleted from that design. Now you need to change that. How you will do this? You need to go the element part and you can search phone here, phone 3D. So there are many options. You just need to click, image will be there. And also delete these elements also because we already get the elements in this image. See, this one is looking nice, but this is not going with the image or with the text. So what we will do? We will put the image here and text all the here. You can do even do this later also. Okay, done with this. Now let's say you need to remove this element from the image. You can go to the edit part. Okay, and here you will find many options which are currently using AI. Now what we will need, we will need the magic eraser tool. Click here. So only you will see that image which you are going to edit. Just select the area or select the part you want to delete. I want to delete this also and this also. Okay, and click on delete icon. So this will take just a few seconds and the element will automatically be deleted. Done. Close this and see. Now looking nice. Okay, and let me show you if you want to add any kind of image or if you want to create any kind of image with a background. So how will you do this? So hope you are getting it. This is a nice option and you can even click on the share and download option. This will be automatically downloaded. And we have used the like animation on this. So you will getting the option of MP4 or JPG, PNG. There are multiple options. GIF also. Okay, and you can even make PPT from this. Okay, so we currently we don't want any kind of download. You can click JPG and click download here. Okay, understand? Now let me show you one thing. Delete them all. Let's focus on the background. Double click on the background, and what if the background is small? Right click here, or you can see, you can type. I mean, you can press the Control 1 or Alt 1 on the keyboard. You will get all the layers. Okay, click here. Detach image from the background. So the image will be detached from the background, and the background will be white. Okay, now set the image. Now let's say you are facing an issue. What issue? The image is not in the size of what you are working. So how you will use the AI for this? Double click on the image. You will see three options. Okay. So first one is freeform. Second one is original, one by one. So we want one by one, or but this is a crop option. We don't want any kind of cropping. Okay, so this is nice. Now again double click on this and we need to go to the expand option. Click on the expand, whole page or 1:1. Whole page is for the page size which you currently don't know, but we know that this size is 1:1. You can use this also. But let's go with the whole page and expand. This will take a few minutes. Okay. Okay, so this is nice. Yeah, this is fine. Click on the done button and expand this. So you can play with the background also. You can expand any kind of background using Canva AI. Okay. So these are many elements you can now add. Let's say you want to add this, decrease the size, put it over there, and write down your text here. Now let's say you want to add text from zero. You don't have any kind of reference. So you just need to click on the text icon here, and they are already pre-created styles for you. You just need to click on the desired style. Let's take this one. So this one is nice. If you want to show any kind of offer, you can put it over there. Now let's me show you. You want a button. You can even select a button from here also. So this one is nice. You can write shop now on this button. So this is very easily, but I will always suggest you can go with the template and customize it. This will consume your time, like this one. Add a new page. Now you need to do nothing, just double click and change the font, or you can say change the text. But here you can also change the font. So don't worry about the font or color. Everything is changeable. Okay, put it here also, or if you want that we need to use this background, you can use this also. Copy it, Control V, Control sorry Alt 1, and get it at the end of the image. So you can even change the background according to your preferences also. Hope you are getting it. And even here you can find the icons, like web icon. So icon are here also, but I'll already suggested you that you can use the flat icon website, or you can use from here also. Select it, go to the color option, and let me show you one thing. If you want to change the color according to this red one, what you will do, you just need to select the icon or any kind of image, go to the color option, add a new color, and you use the color picker and click on the color picker, and color automatically be changed. So this is again a good option. You can use this. Okay, now let me show you some animation in this. So delete them all, or you can even take a new file, create a new, and size, we can take Instagram story size. Okay, so here we are, and we need to create MP4, or you can say a social media reel for a business. Okay, so let's take an example of a business. So what kind of business we need? Uh, So this is the website, or you can even take other websites, like you can say Anastasia. This is again a nice website. So you can take images from this website also. There are multiple websites. So let's go with this holes. But there is nothing. There is no image with a single background. So we will go for this only. Uh, let's take something like vase. Okay, so these are many kind of vases here. You can even search in home category. So these are some vases. You can use them. And what are they? They are with the clean single background and single image also there. So let me show you something. This one, three and four. We will go for the this one. So I open four images in new tabs. Okay. What I need? I need to copy the image, go to our design and paste them. Okay. Next one is this. Copy it again, paste it over there. Again this one. Copy this, paste it, copy this and paste it. So these four images are there. We need to clean the background, or you can say we need to remove the background to make them into PNG. Okay, so what is PNG? PNG is like any kind of image without any kind of background. So click here, remove background. Click here, remove background. This is AI. Okay, this is option is working on the AI basis. Okay, so these all image are cleaned. Now you can remove the extra space. Always remove the extra space in the image. Okay, for this also. Okay, fine. Now we need to create something design here. Okay, so we need to create some four designs. So go to the element part, and here you can find shapes part here, grids, frames, shapes, videos, audios. But currently we need only shape. So click here, the shape will be there, end to end. Okay, duplicate it by holding the Alt button, arrange it, right? Okay, so I'm selecting all the fours and increasing the size. So these four are already in the same size and the distribution is equal. Okay. Now we need to put them in the back of the layers. So we go to the layers and select them all and put inside the downside all the elements. So put this element here, this one here, this will go with this, and this one for this one. Now we need to change the color also because we need to see the difference. Okay, so select here, go to the color and pick the color from the element. Okay, so you can see photo color is there. Okay, so we, this one is for this and click here. I guess this is not working. No problem. We can even select color from here. Okay, now change the color of the shape also for this one also. Uh, like this. Okay, can even go with this color. This one is again nice. And for this, we need to select this color. For this, we can go with this color. Okay, so we have created multiple colors with the shapes. And now write something. You can type this control C. This is for the last one. Now you need to add some text. Go to the text area and select any kind of style you want. Let's say you need there are many styles. This one is nice. Okay, so you need this kind of style. Double click and paste it. Decrease the size around 50. This one is fine. Okay, color should be changed, I guess. Yeah, white is perfect. Duplicate it here, duplicate it here, and again duplicate this here. Okay, now change the headings for all of them. Copy this, paste it over there. There is space at the end. Remove that. Okay, next one is this. Copy it again and paste it there. And the last one is for this sky blue donut ring. Put it over there. Okay, so we have typed the text also. Now what we need to create them in a group. Select them all, control G. Select control G, select control G, select control G. Okay, so we have created group for all of them. Now what we need to do, we need to do something unique. How? Let me show you. So here you will go for this one. If you play this, you will find no animation on this. Why? Because we have not added any kind of animation on any kind of layer or any kind of text or any kind of image. But as I already told you that I will show you something unique. So what you we need to do, you need to duplicate this. How? Before duplicating, let me show you something. So right click here, you can select easily select duplicate page on you can select duplicate page here, but currently we don't want to duplicate this. We need to change something in this, and after that we can duplicate it. How we will do this? Just select it and put it right side. Okay, you can select both at the same time, so the size will be same. Okay, so don't worry about this. And for the remaining two, you can do this in the left side, right? So hope you are getting it. So two sides are in the right, two are in the left. Now what we need? We need to duplicate it now. How we will do this? Before this, like add something here. Okay. Why we are adding before? Because if you duplicate this, you will not able to get this back, because this is going outside the artboard. Okay, so first of all you need to create this design, and after that you can duplicate it. Okay, so I'm showing you. Let's take the same image. Okay, or what, you can we need to change the image. Okay, so don't worry, we can change the image also. This one and this 2 3 and the 4. Okay, so we can even change the product also, don't worry. Copy this, paste it over there. This is for this one. You can even change the background, select it, copy it, paste it. We need to go through the same process. Okay, paste this, and last one is for shell. Okay, okay, so these are the 4 images. Select them one by one, remove the background, remove background, remove background, and finally remove the background. So background for all of them are removed. Now we need to set them. Okay, for in this we have created here, and in this you need to put this side. Okay, now duplicate this, put this here, decrease the size. I'm doing fast, don't worry. And same for this image. Okay, you can even write the text, but let me show you with an example. This dummy text. Go to the text area, and again take the same font, and change the color to white. Okay, and decrease the size to around 50. Now I'm not going to change this, because this will consume your time, and you already know this. So I'm putting this here, duplicating this, and duplicating here. Okay, you can do alignment and everything as you already know. Okay, group them. Okay, before this, we forgot to change the color. Okay, so change the color of this. Go to the color option, and here you can find all the related image color. Click here for this. This one is fine, or yeah, this one is light color, good, and this one is dark. Okay, this is in the white, but you can select any peach color or any kind of cream color. Now group them. Okay, Control G, Control Z, and again Control G for grouping them. Okay, so in the first slide, what we have done, we have just put all the things in the right, left, and right, left side. After that, we have created the same thing, but the style is different. Now, what you can do, you need to duplicate this. You can see the duplication here, and in this, move this in the right side, or select both of them at the same time and get them back. This and this. Okay, In the layer panel, you need them in the top side. For this and for this, in the right. Okay. And this one, again back to the position. And at the top, getting it? Now, let me show you one animation. If you go in the center of these two frames, you will find add page and add a transition. So you can just click here and match and move. Okay. Now, if you play this, see the difference now. So this is a great animation for the Canva, but this is taking too long. So how to deal with this? Decrease the size. You can go for the duration part, reset this, go on the duration and decrease the size of the animation. See, around 2 seconds is fine. This one is for the 2 seconds, same. Now play them. So this is called seamless transition. So you can see is automatically matching the transition. Okay, so this is called a new AI for the Canva. Okay, when you play this, you will get smooth transition in this, and you can now even change the font, change the color, anything you can change this in the template. So you can save this also as a template. So you can type here real template. Now you need to change the font, color, and the image. Share, and you can export it as MP4, GIF, or any kind of JPG else, JPG, PNG, anything. But the animation will be there in the MP4 video only. Okay, hope you are getting it. Now let me show you if you have a product and you want a background for that. So let me select it for you, or you can take a new page, blank page, paste the image. So I just pasted the image, remove the background. Okay, now you can go to the edit part, and here there are multiple options for the editing of that image. Let me increase the size. Okay, so here will show background remove. Background remove we have already done. Next one is background generation. This is amazing option because background eraser you have already seen. And next one is magic grab. We'll talk this about later. Background generator. Now you have to type something here. Something means you need to give this a prompt that what kind of background you want. So let me tell you that I need something background with a podium where this product is placed. So how you will type this? You don't have any kind of knowledge. Let me show you. Let's say you don't have any kind of knowledge about the prompt engineering or anything. So how you will write this? You need to use the chat GPT. Okay, so let's go for the chat GPT and open the new chat and type here. Write a prompt for a product, and in the bracket you can mention the product as well on a you can type clean background with a podium, great spelling. Okay, bottom of the image, and a professional shoot back. Okay, and enter. So this will give you an amazing prompt for this. Copy that, Control C, and go to the Canva and paste that prompt here. But this is not right way to pasting the prompt, because this is not taking the full prompt. Write this in few words only. Okay, So copy this, paste it over there and generate. Now you need to wait for that. See, you will see a beautiful background for the image. And what now you can expand this also, as I've already told you. So you just need to go for the editing part and background eraser here and background expand here also. So you can expand the background also. Okay. So there are many options. Text, you can grab the text from any kind of image. Magic grab, select this and grab this. And you can remove the image from any kind of background. So this is called grabbing the image or grabbing any kind of element. Okay. After this, you can grab text also, magic edit also. So what magic edit do? Okay, so this is any kind of PNG, so you can not edit this, delete it, or you can do Control Z. And now you can use the magic edit. Select the area, whatever you want to edit, and write here that what kind of thing you want and generate. See, this automatically change the selected area or selected part of the image. Done. Okay, so this is amazing option for the Canva. Magic Expand is another good option. Whole page and expand. So this Magic Expand is not a perfect option for you. Sometimes this don't show a good option or good result. But wait, uh, this is nice. This is not bad, but this is nice. So you can add any kind of background or you can create any kind of background using Canva. Okay. So there are many chats. Let me see. Okay, so many students are asking for the certificate part. Uh, for let me tell you that for our the institute which I am working, the my institute also provide a certificate for you, but for that you need to give a small test. Okay, so let me show you one thing. Okay, so this is a notepad. Everyone is watching this, right? Okay, so this notepad is visible.
No, Nikhil, not visible.
Okay, okay. Let me type everything on the this Canva only. Okay, so let me remove this. Okay, so let me take some text. Okay, so I'm giving you something new options, or you can say the query for some students is for the certificate. So for certification, you need to write me an email, or you can just connect with the Priti also. My email ID is here. So this is my email ID. I know this is not currently visible because the font. Okay, so this is my email ID.
Or
It
Nikhil,
is here.
you
Yeah,
can
tell me.
share it over a chat also.
Okay, yeah, sure. So I will share this on the chat. So what you need to give the test. Test is free. Test don't cost you anything, but you need to write me an email that I got you from there and where. You can type anything. After that, I will give you the link. You can give the test, and the certificate will cost you only 500 rupees. Okay, let me type this. So you can get certificate of the Canva AI, or I will also mention more classes for you that you can learn about the graphics and everything, video editing, everything. Okay. So for this certificate, you can contact me directly, or even Preeti, you can directly contact her also. Okay. So next one is let's go home, Canva home. So this is a homepage of the Canva where you can find all the related designs for different sizes for Instagram story, Instagram reel, education is sheets, documents, white background, or sorry, whiteboard, social media. So for social media, you will find many options like Instagram story, Instagram post, LinkedIn, everything is posted over there. You just need to select the design and customize it according to your logos and everything. Okay. Now let me show you one amazing thing, which is called website. As I already told you, you can create website from Canva. So what you just need to click on the website area, and you will be redirected to the new screen. Here you will see there are multiple templates for the website. But for you, let me tell you, if you are a designer, what you need a portfolio website. So you can type here creative portfolio or portfolio website, whatever you want. So graphic design portfolio. So there are multiple websites where you can see and you can use it, edit it, and publish it. How you will do this? Let me show you. So select a good template. I guess this is fine, but this is for a single page only. You will not find multiple pages, so don't go with this. Let me delete this for you. Go to the design, select. Yeah, this has many of pages, or you can say many sections. So this file has 7 sections. You can click apply all. Okay, so these all are 7 sections. Now what you need to replace your image with her. How you will do this? Let me show you. If you have an image in your PC like this creative background, you can put it over here directly and put this inside. So the background will automatically be replaced by her. This is amazing option. Next one is you can type your name here. Okay. Okay. So this is my name. Decrease the size so it will get fit in that text box. Okay, and write your designation, or you can write what are you, creative designer, photographer, or anything, whatever you are, you can write it over there. And keep in touch is just a button, but this will not work like other website. This is not a clickable button. Okay. And also you can change the theme here. Okay, shuffle, you can shuffle the themes. Okay, but I don't want to change the theme, that this theme is perfect. Okay. Next one, you can again type here, change it, change the image, change the description. Everything is changeable. Okay. And always remember, don't change the font, because this font is loveless text. This is again same. This is again same. If you change the font in any section, this will no go. This will not go with the correct UI. So don't change the font. Okay. Now, what you need to publish this website. Let's say you have created everything, you have changed the font, you have changed the photos, everything. Now you need to publish this. So you will see a button here, publish website, and before this you will see a preview option. Click here, you will see a preview of the website you have created. Now you need to publish this. Click here. For when you click here, you will see there are multiple options. Resize for phone. This is a very important option. This by clicking on this resize on the phone, this means you have created your website for the phone also, which is called responsive website. Okay. Navigation bar. Okay, for the navigation bar, you can see a navigation bar over there. So you can see a navigation bar, page 1, page 2. But currently this is not a good option. So disable the this option, the navigation menu. Okay, website URL will be this you will not you can't change this because we are working for the free publishing. Okay, so you will not able to change this because this is all on the Canva server only, so you can't change this. If you want to change it, you need a new domain. Get a new domain, continue, and this is, you can type a new domain here. As but I already added many domains, so I'm not able to add the domain here. So I think everyone know about what is the domain. Let me tell you something. Okay, so let's go with the Canva, or you can say the Chat GPT or Shutterstock. Everyone know about Shutterstock. This provide HD images. So Shutterstock has a domain for itself. What? Shutterstock.com. So this .com is a domain, and on the hard disk, or you can say the area where this website is published. Okay, so for the domain, you can use the GoDaddy website. You can type your domain here. That what kind of domain you need. Okay, so right here we can type and search. So this is showing that your domain which you want is available for 1 rupee in the starting 1 year, and after that you need it will be charged. Okay, so make it yours, and here, and now here you can see that for how much years you want. If you select for 3 years, you can go for 5. You can even go for the 10 years. If you select for the 1 year, this will cost you more without any kind of discount. Okay, if you go for the 3 years, you will get a great discount. Okay, and continue, or you can go to the cart or continue shopping, and this will be debited from a credit card. Let me show you. You can log in this. Okay, and this is the final amount. Continue to your cart. So this is the domain, and this is the final amount, because this is also giving full protection of the domain, like two-factor authentication, everything. But currently, if you don't want, you just need to click disable this. So 3,000 is the final amount for 3 years. So if you just leverage it, you can see 1,000 per year, and you can read it for a checkout. And you can copy this domain and put it over here. Get a new domain. So you can write that domain here if this is available for you only. Okay. But currently we don't have any kind of domain. We are working for the free. So you just need to click on the publish icon. Okay. So preparing your design. Now view website. See, this website is live. Okay. If you are not logged in, or if you share this link, or if I share this link with you, you can open this in anywhere, any platform, phone, everywhere. So this is a website for you. So you can create this website, any kind of website for the portfolio, or for your any kind of website, or for your client also. You can use Canva servers and edit this design anytime. And let me show you one thing. If you go on the home page of the Canva, you will see the created design over there. You don't need to save this or do this anything. You will see the design here. You just need to click there, and the editing option will be open, and you can add this anytime. Okay, hope you are getting it. And again, publish it. It's very simple. So you can create a website with the help of Canva also. Okay. So let me tell you one more amazing thing. You can even create videos in this. Let me show you something. So for this website, for this video, So this is a video of any kind of agency for their client. Play here. So you can see this is a motion graphic video which you also can create. How? Get at the end of the video or at the center of the video, click here and you can change the font. See, and if you play it, it will show your text only. See, very amazing and very easy option. And again, you can add many pages at the starting or at the end. Okay, and you can change the name of the file. And also, if let me show you one thing. If many persons are working on the same project, you can share that file with them. Just type their name or type their email ID, and you can share that with them, and they also see the live changes you are working on that file. So this is again amazing option, amazing great option for the designers. Okay. There are some questions for the students. Are there any way we can know which font is used in the image? Yeah, there are many options. You can see what are the font are used in that image. I will show you. Wait, can we change the some icons? You can change the icon. How to get premium version? I will tell you the premium version also. How can we add tabs and subtabs to a website? Tabs and subtabs you can't add. Okay, so there is a question from Rekha that she need to add some tabs and subtabs, so that won't be possible in this. But for that, I will tell you another website also. So there are two queries. One premium version and for the tabs. So let me show you one thing. So for the tabs part, you need Framer. Framer is another amazing website. Framer is a very amazing website. You just need to click there, and you will find many templates for the Framer. Okay, so for the Framer, you will find many templates, and you can use them directly. And there are multiple I you can say millions of the templates are there where you can add multiple styles and everything. Okay, so Framer is a very easy to use tool. You can see there are multiple options. This is similar to Canva. You just need to select a template and change it according to yourself. And for now, you can see the pricing area. So pricing for the personal is not too much, it's just 300 per month. But I will suggest you go for the 535 version. This is a good basic purpose. Okay, so go with the basic version. Basic version provide all the websites, and you can add 1,000 pages. But here you can only add 2 pages. So this is not good for the beginners or for the personal use. So go with the Framer and select the personal and go with the basic site. 535 per month is not a big amount for anyone. Okay, so you can just start it, you can log in it and create your website. Very easy to use. The same interface is there in the Canva and the Framer and Figma. There are same interface. If you correctly know the Canva, you can easily edit the Framer websites. Okay, so rekha rekha's getting it. Next one is for premium. I'll tell you, you can delete any kind of icons. Okay, Shivanand, there is a new query. Shivanand, so there is any way we can know. Okay, so let me tell you one website which is called. So this is a website which is called Find My Fonts, or you can say the website name is My Fonts. What you need, you just need to open the website, and let me show you something. Let's go anything. So let's say you want to know this font, that what is the name of the font, and you want to use this font in your design. So how you will know this? Right click on the image and select copy image address. Go to the website which is called myfont.com, and here just delete it, close this, and go to the image URL, paste it and search it. See, identify the font, or you can even select another font if you want to identify this one, identify font, and this will automatically identify what kind of font or which font this image has used. So see, this is font you got, but one thing, always remember this is a paid website. If you select the font, this will ask for the payment of $50. So this is a big amount. So now what you need, you can copy this font name, go to the Google, paste the font name, and search for the free download. So there are multiple websites which are providing the same font for free. Okay, so click on the website, any kind of website. This is not a proper any website, and see download diff is there. Okay, so you just need to click on a download and install. You already know how to install the font. Okay, next one is transparency. How to monetize by using Canva. This is out of the box question. Uh, Next one is for the monetization by using Canva, you can create designs and publish it on the Fiverr. So Fiverr, this is my dashboard. So you just need to go on the Fiverr. So Fiverr is again a very amazing website, which where you can publish your creative designs, videos, and everything. Okay, so focus on this. I guess this is not working correctly. So you can go on the Fiverr and see there are many clients. I am working for them also, so you can easily earn from them. Okay, so publish your design on Fiverr. Okay,
Sorry to interrupt, Nikhil.
yeah, tell me.
Yeah, actually, we have one session feedback form which, I'm launching from my end, and I would like to request everyone to please fill this session feedback form.
Okay, so this is for the student, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, so they are working on it.
yeah. Side by side, like we can answer the questions also.
Okay, okay, sure, sure. So, so for the certification, I've already told you that you can contact me directly. You will get a certificate from my side, from my institute name. Okay, certificate is this. Okay, so they are asking for the participation certificate. So participation certificate, you can easily provide them. Okay, so there is one final question. One is asking for the payment of the Canva. So there are many plans. See, one is for the free. Next one is pro, team, and enterprises. So currently, I am using the enterprise mode because I have many kind of team members who are using Canva for the other clients. So I'm using the Canva enterprises. You can go for the Canva Pro, but this costs you 4,000 per year. But as you are a student, so you are not able to pay this amount every year. So what you need, I have created something for you. Let me show you. So I've created the same thing. You can give your email ID and I will give you Canva for the lifetime 2000 only. So this is for the students which are there in this. Okay. Even you can share this with another students or another of your friends or anyone with you. Just you can mail me on this email ID, as I mentioned the email ID in the chat also. So you can mail me anytime with your email ID on which you want the Canva Pro version. I will give the activation code. You can activate it, and after that you can pay. It's not like that you need to pay first and after that the activation will be there. First, the activation will be completely there on your the email ID, and after that you can pay that amount. Okay. So for this, everyone Canva for the lifetime. Okay, I'm again telling you this is for the lifetime. You don't need to pay to anyone or to me in future. Just 2000 for the lifetime purpose. Okay.
Okay, Nikhil, we
Yeah.
also have a few, one or two question.
Okay.
So there's a question. Please share tips for maintaining quality when resize Canva design for different platforms.
Can you say again?
Okay. So, please share tips for maintaining quality when resizing Canva designs for different platform.
Okay, so if you are working for a client which host in different platforms with different sizes, so you need to know that how to maintain that. Okay, so for that, let's take the same design. So if you are working on this design and you need to put this in like the horizontal side, so how you will do this? There are many options. Okay, go to the design, and if you find the right design here, then you can easily change it. But if you are not getting the right design, or you just need the same design, so you need to duplicate it. How? Go to the file, and here make a copy of that. Okay, why we are doing this? Because if you change the original design, that this is not good move. Okay, there is an option which is called resize option, which is in the Canva Pro, and here you can select the size which you want. Okay, so let's select custom size, horizontal, and copy and resize. Okay, or you can just click on the resize button. This will work the same. Open design. I guess this is not changed. This is the same size. Again, let's try Facebook post. Resize this design. See, so you can resize that design for any kind of platforms. Okay, and this is working the same as the old design. Nothing changed. So this is how the Canva AI works. Okay, go to the duration, and even you can add music there. For the music, I can't play the music because if in some case you are not able to play it, or you are not able to view it, let me show you something. You can go with the audio here. This is the AI version of the Canva, and you can even generate AI audios or AI voices. Click here and type it. So you have seen in many Instagram reels, there are the text which are saying by the persons, different persons. You can type it here. Okay, Henry, and generate AI voice. So the AI voice will be generated, and see and play it. This is my marketing team. See, so you can do this also. This is again a great option for the Canva AI. Okay,
Okay, there's
see,
Manoj is asking this tool is free or paid?
the audio tool.
Yes.
This is paid in the pro version only. This is for the pro version only. For the free version, you can only use. Let me show you. For the free version, you can only use these audios. But if you want to generate, you need to go for the generate AI voices only. Okay. I missed the activation of the sentence. Okay, so there is an option. I missed that attend activation wala sentence. So for the activation, I have already told you, you can mail me.
Okay, so I have also shared his email ID, and if you like, if any of you like is not able to copy or like it, you guys can message us, or you can directly reach out to us. We'll share his email ID, or you can directly reach out to him also. It would be great, Nikhil, if you can share like your LinkedIn ID also, so they will directly reach out to you.
Yeah, I'll show you my LinkedIn ID. So this is my LinkedIn ID, or you can search on the Google. So you will get my name on the top. Okay, so just click here, and you can connect with me, or you can write any kind of message or whatever you want. And if you want a personalized course also, I provide that also. for the graphic designing, video editing, AI animations, or there are multiple courses I also provide. Okay, so you can do that also for me. Okay, I mean for you. So you can connect with me, or even you can write directly message to me also. Okay,
And still, if you guys find difficulty to find him, you guys can message us. We'll share his details.
yeah,
Okay, I think we are done with the Q&A. Is there anything, Nikhil, which you want to like convey to the people like who are fresher and are going to
yeah,
going
right,
to
right.
join
In the
this
market, they are
industry?
new. So for the fresher, always focus on the creativity. And let me tell you where the creativity you will get from Pinterest. Always use Pinterest. And in today's world, everyone scroll Instagram. So don't scroll Instagram. Go on the Pinterest. Okay, so Pinterest is very very amazing thing. Okay, so is the screen visible? The Pinterest screen.
Pinterest is not visible.
Let me show you again. So this is a Pinterest. Okay, here you can find many kind of designs which are created by many other designers in the world. So what you just need to focus on the design. Let's say, uh, let me log out this. This is something my client's account. So let me log out it. Okay, so now go to the explore part. Here you can write posters. Poster is a very big term. So always try to write focus on the posters. So here you can see there are multiple designs. But in currently, you can see there are the designs which are very in subtle tone. Let's go with this one. This one is a very contrasting design where you find a product and at the back there is a text. But for this kind of design, you are not able to use the Canva because Canva will not provide this kind of style. But there is a like jugaad in the Canva where you can do this. You need to cut out this image by remove the background tool, as I already told you, and tap the text in the back of the image. Then you will get the same result. Okay, so you can do this in Canva also. So these are some styles. Now what you need to focus on it. Let's say you have opened this image. Now focus on the text style. What are the text styles they are using? Next one is what are the colors they are using. You can see a purple color. So there are many purple colors. So if you go on the internet, you will find there are many shades and many styles and many tint, many tones of the purple color, but all are not good. These all are very, very not eye soothing, but this purple tone is good. So you always need to remember that the color which are used in the Pinterest, you can use directly on the your design. See, these three all are in purple design, but looking very, very different. This is again orange color. This is yellow color. As you all know, yellow color is not very eye soothing, but still this is looking good. Why? Because there are multiple yellow colors. So this is pastel yellow. Whenever you are using any kind of contrasting color, add pastel yellow. Okay, so you will see this color. This is very light yellow color. Okay, so always remember color and font. These two are very very important thing in any kind of design. Okay, so font, as I already mentioned you that there are many websites from where you can download font and install them, and the colors you can use from the Pinterest part. And lastly, you can go for the Behance. So Behance is another website where you can see many many portfolios of another designers. So you can easily go for the graphic design here and see their portfolio like logo folio. Logo folio means the all the logos are in the same file. See, these are the logos. So you can take references from there also. Don't Google it, because Google is for the client and these websites are for designers like for us. Okay, so use these websites. Hope you are getting it. Pinterest is very big options. So you can anytime use Pinterest, and they are video also, small videos where you can find many interesting things. Okay, so play with it. Okay, any other questions?
Done. We are done with it. Thank you so
Okay.
much. Okay, so thank you, Nikhil, for delivering this insightful
Thank you.
session. And we are really grateful for this. We are really grateful for the time and energy you have invested. And everyone who have joined us today, thank you very much for being part of this learning
Yeah, thank you
experience.
everyone. Thank you everyone.
Yeah, and still, if you guys have any question, please feel free to reach out to us or directly
Yeah,
connect with Nikhil. And session recordings are also available on our YouTube channel and LinkedIn account, so you can revisit it anytime. So, yeah, we look forward to having you join us again in upcoming session. Until then, take care, keep learning, and have an amazing day. Once again, thank you so much, Nikhil, and thank you everyone who joined.
thank you everyone.
Thank you, Nikhil. Thank you. Bye
Thank you.
bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.